2, 3, all in, let's go!
I asked them yesterday, first thing, where do you think we're at? And they said we're in first place and we control our own destiny.
This is playoff football. That's what it really comes down to.
We obviously know it, but we try not to keep it kind of in the front of our mind or have that kind of be extra pressure.
Clemson, 7-1 football team with #1 ranked defense in the ACC.
Doeren O'Daniel, pick 6, Clemson.
Kelly Bryant's completing 67% of his passes, so great challenge. A game that our players are excited to play in, and a game we've played well against them, and obviously want to find a way to win this football game.
This is a team that's really capable of playing with anybody. There's no question. They're physical in the trenches on both sides. I think definitely the best D-line we've played.
This is a nasty front seven for NC State, and they're led by the alpha male, Bradley CHUBB.
He's a really good player, and he's proven that you spend extra time on him, you learn his moves and all that. Their whole D-line is great, and they're a great team. Coach Doeren's done an amazing job with them, so it's going to be a fun challenge for our O-line.
Since we're at the top of the ACC right now, everyone brings their best, so we really want to be ready for them.
We need crowd noise in this game big time, and it is a full moon, and so asking people to come out and be loud and crazy, and all of it helps our football team play well, and I know we'll be ready to play.
You know, the other team wants it just as bad as you. Championship football comes down to execution.